A federal judge said a 2-year-old U.S. citizen was taken out of the country with no meaningful process. Here's what we know. According to a federal judge in Louisiana, an undocumented immigrant from Honduras who was being deported decided to take her child with her. U.S. District Judge Terry A. Dowdy said it is illegal and unconstitutional to deport, detain for deportation, or recommend deportation of a U.S. citizen. As a result, Dowdy scheduled a hearing for May 16th. Dowdy was appointed by President Donald Trump in 2017. However, Mitch P. Gonzalez, a representative for the mother and co-founder of Sanctuary of the South, an immigration and LGBTQ civil rights cooperative, described the situation differently. Gonzalez said, ICE is mischaracterizing that this was her wish. This woman was held in an undisclosed hotel. Gonzalez also noted that the woman is pregnant and that ICE routinely prevented her from accessing her attorneys and family to plan accordingly. He also said, during the approximately 3 days she was held with her children, cut off from family and counsel, ICE made her feel threatened and coerced into accepting deportation under duress. When the Louisiana court tried to contact a government lawyer ahead of the May 16th hearing, they were informed that the mother and child were already in Honduras. On their way to a meeting to discuss the deportation, the mother and her child were intercepted and detained by immigration and customs enforcement agents in New Orleans. The mother's attorneys argue that removing the child from the U.S. violated the Constitution and the child's rights as a U.S. citizen. Government lawyers contend that because the mother has legal custody, she had the right to take her child to Honduras. While in ICE detention, the mother submitted a handwritten letter stating she intended to bring her daughter with her to Honduras. The child's father attempted to obtain custody and requested that the child be placed with his sister-in-law, a U.S. citizen living in Louisiana.